Hello and welcome to this meditation to help you cultivate, hold, and maintain your resolve when feeling coerced or pressure to conform. My name is DL and I will be guiding you. We may intuitively know what is right for us, but when faced with external rule books, the belief systems of others, and opposition from the outside, we may begin to second-guess ourselves. If we repeatedly hear stories and voices that go against our deep inner knowing, we may have feelings of doubt or confusion. Or even worse, faced with threats of being ostracized or with intolerable loss, we may cave and resign ourselves to the wishes of others, betraying ourselves in the process. This meditation can prepare you and be a tool to return to whenever you need to shore up your resolve. Please be comfortably seated, sitting tall and light, feet well grounded on the floor. Let's begin with a few yawns and stretches. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Simply force a few yawns, opening the mouth wide with the inhale, allowing the back of the throat to open, and allow the body to stretch into space with light muscular tension in whatever manner feels good. Free yourself to make any noises, including sighs, moans, or groans. We'll hold a very simple mudra throughout this meditation, known as the Lion Nature Mudra. This mudra will activate the body's self-healing powers, improving immunity and courage. Feel majestic and virtuous as you maintain it. Simply hold the hands, palms facing outward at the level of the shoulders. Now give yourself permission to be still for these next few minutes. Take note of how you feel and prepare to settle the body into an even deeper stillness. Begin to slow and deepen the breath without forcing, but as an outcome of simply bringing yourself more fully into this moment and your own presence. Begin to focus on your sense of resolve around whatever situation brought you to this meditation. In your mind's eye, imagine the forces that run counter to your inner knowing approaching you. If no visualization comes, just sense an energy directed toward you. At the same time, become aware of your hands and the sensation of the qualities that the mudra invokes. Majesty, virtue, strength, health, courage. These energies radiate within your heart, which then radiates down your arms and out your hands into the space around you. Generate an intensity of these energies. Majesty, virtue, strength, health, courage, recognize that you are clear, you are calm, you are at peace. There's no need to defend your beliefs. There's no need to attack. You are abiding in your own center, your own power to choose. Allow the light of this power to amplify and fill the space all around your body. Completely dissolving with love all that tempts or threatens you. Breathe. Hold firm. And continue to witness this strength and power emanating from your heart, down your arms, through the palms of your hands, into the space around you. Keep it loving, but fierce. You may now rest your arms and take a slow, deep breath. Open your eyes gently when you're ready and acknowledge any changes to your state of mind and being. Feel sovereign. Feel clear and ready to take on any challenge with the brilliance of your absolute being. That concludes this meditation. For more meditations and practices, join me online at dlcsgo.com.